Hey, everyone! Welcome back. Today, we have a fantastic recipe for you that's perfect for breakfast or brunch. Sweet potato hash. It's not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our tasty recipes. Now, let's get cooking. For our sweet potato hash, you'll need a few simple ingredients. 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes, peeled and diced. 1 red bell pepper, chopped. 1 yellow onion, diced. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. Salt and pepper to taste. Olive oil for cooking. Optional toppings, avocado, poached eggs, fresh herbs. Preparation. Start by peeling and dicing your sweet potatoes. The smaller the dice, the faster they'll cook. Sauté vegetables. Heat a skillet over medium heat. Add a drizzle of olive oil. And toss in the diced sweet potatoes. Chopped red bell pepper and diced onion. Sauté until the vegetables are tender. Flavorful seasoning. Once the veggies are softened, add minced garlic, paprika, cumin, salt, and pepper for that extra flavor kick. Stir well to coat everything evenly. Cook until golden. Spread the mixture evenly in the skillet and let it cook without stirring too often. This allows the sweet potatoes to develop a beautiful golden crust. Optional toppings. While the hash is cooking, you can prepare optional toppings like sliced avocado, poached eggs, or fresh herbs. These add extra layers of flavor and texture. Final touch. Once your sweet potato hash has that perfect golden color and the sweet potatoes are fork tender, it's ready to be served. Plate your sweet potato hash. And feel free to get creative with the toppings. Today, I'm adding some creamy avocado slices and a perfectly poached egg for that extra richness. And there you have it, a delicious and nutritious sweet potato hash that's perfect for any breakfast or brunch occasion. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to comment down below with your favorite breakfast ideas. Until next time, happy cooking. Customize the script to fit your personal style and channel format. Add your unique flair and energy to make the video engaging for your audience.